Carlisle Bay in Antigua and Barbuda is located on the southern side of Antigua Island. And it is, a bay, but also has a wonderful five-star resort named Carlisle Bay after the bay that it's at. So you start out with a beautiful walk across, and it has a wonderful, stunning beach and great all inclusive dining options. So it's a wonderful place to go, and that's what we're going to take a look at in this video. So, it has a unique kind of colonial architecture, like when you're coming in and you walk across a bridge across a pond that has plenty of koi fish as you're going in. And it's a very nice lobby as well. Plenty of seating areas if you're waiting to check in or just want to hang out for a little while. So the staff was all incredibly friendly when we were there. So, as soon as we got there, they actually gave us a welcome drink. So that was really nice. And there's plenty of different facilities at the Carlisle Bay. So looking at the different kind of areas that it's got, restaurant wise, looking at that, there are a few different options. So you have East, which you're looking at right now, which offers pan Asian dishes. It's available for dinner. So that's right off the lobby area. That's very nice. Ottimo, might not be pronouncing that right. It's a casual Italian at the poolside and is open for lunch and dinner. And then you also have Indigo on the beach, which is the open air pavilion right there on the beach. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it has, at least for breakfast, a buffet style. And you can see, just imagine waking up in the morning and getting and enjoying just eating with that beautiful view in the distance. So really great all-inclusive dining options. And then there's a air-conditioned library. So if you want to go someplace a little bit quieter and still nice and cool, so a cool down spot, you can come here. So that's a great option. And they also have a nice little shop as well. So with different items from Antigua and the resort itself. So quite nice area there. And they also have a boutique that you can go enjoy, salon and massages and the like. So the beach itself, being in a cove or bay kind of area, it is pretty quiet. So very nice swimming kind of beach, and gorgeous water as well, and plenty of different lounges. And the hotel itself has just absolutely beautiful grounds with the greenery, and there's also included some different activities that you can see there too. Those are all included, that you can rent that for the day and take it out. So just once again, really, really great. They have an area for yoga as well, as you can see, a yoga pavilion, and lots of couches and just places you can relax on the beach here. There's also, this is not adults only, this is a family-friendly area, so you can actually see this is the kids club. So for different age group, there are different activities that are available during the day. And you'll see that there's outdoor area, a small little pool, and you have plenty of people that will watch your kids. So there's also, I thought this was pretty neat, a screening room, a little movie theater that's nice and air conditioned, so you can go and relax and watch a movie as well. So that's a nice aspect that I haven't seen at a whole lot of resorts. So walking around the grounds of Carlisle Bay, you can see plenty of greenery, well designed buildings that are very, very stylish. So, and this is not a gigantic resort. It only has 87 rooms, so they're all ocean facing and they're all suites. So, hey, so you're never going to feel super crowded while you're here. So let's look at some of the rooms. Let's go to room 111, which is an ocean suite. So, taking a look at this particular room, you have, a coffee maker and also a mini bar in the little mini fridge as well. You can see really nice furniture that you got here, and a very nice, relaxing bed. You got a couch that you can just sit there and enjoy your view of the ocean and and a very nice bathroom as well. So looking at once again the mini fridge that you have here, it's stocked with snacks, and you also have plenty of cokes or beers and things and the like there. So, we thought, really nice room. AC worked very well. You could see that there was a couple of umbrellas. So they thought of a lot of different touches. The conch shell, you put that out as like a doorstop, or letting them know if it's occupied, you don't want to get cleaned. And you also have that small little bowl that's meant to rinse your feet off. So um, double sinks in there, and just really, really nice accommodations throughout. So, and also you can see a rain style shower as well. So just really, really gorgeous 5-star resort. So moving on, room 217. So it's very similar to the Ocean View Suite. This is actually, though, on the second floor. This is the Bay Suite Honeymoon. So it's meant for a honeymoon suite. It's adults only. You'll see it's a little bit lighter colored. So you can see that the bed, the furniture, it's all light colored in this particular room. The bathroom is very similar. You can see compared to the other one, they've switched the bathroom and the shower on the side, but still all generally the same. With a nice rain shower. And this one being on the second floor, you have still a beautiful view of from your balcony of the beach. So Carlisle Bay, a great all-inclusive 5-star option in southern Antigua, closer to English Harbor, but still only about 30-40 minutes from VC Bird International Airport on Antigua. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe to help our channel grow, and contact us at ET Family Travel to book your Antiguan adventure.